Well, the past couple of nights you may have been disappointed to head outside and see that cloud cover because you weren't able to see Mars, Jupiter, or the moon. But tonight and the following nights, beautiful opportunity to head outside and take inventory of our evening sky. Let's go and try and find some of these objects. We'll start off with getting a general idea of where you are in the night sky. The easiest way to do that is before that sun goes down, look at where it is going to be setting. Take note of kind of a land, kind of an object, where that sun goes down. There's your western horizon. So when you come out later, 10, 11 o'clock tonight, you want to find that same object and turn around. Now we're facing east. Now the first one to come up tonight is going to be Jupiter, and that's going to be to the right of the eastern horizon. As we get to about 10, 11 o'clock this evening, Mars is going to come down lower horizon. It's going to be the red planet that you see out there. And then after about 11 o'clock this evening, to the far left in the eastern horizon, you're going to start seeing the moon. That's the one that's very easy to spot. And while it is the biggest, it is when we see it from Earth. Let's go ahead and get a sense of the perspective of just how big these objects are. Starting off with the Earth. So I have a couple of things here. Cherry tomato. So if the Earth was the size of a cherry tomato, that object you're seeing in the night sky, Mars, the red planet, would be about the size of a blueberry. Now those two look very similar when you're looking at them just together. The third one, the gas giant Jupiter, is much bigger, about the size of a watermelon. So when you're standing out there in the evening sky looking at Mars and Jupiter, just know how far away we are to get these two to look like they're the same size. If you have any questions, obviously you can find me over on Facebook or Twitter at IngleWX. And if you want to share my watermelon, I'll cut that up for you too.